Is your chandelier missing that sparkle it once had? Sometimes, replacing a small part can completely transform the way it looks. AB Crystal offers beautifully crafted Bobeches chandelier parts designed to restore elegance and shine. Whether you're repairing a treasured fixture or updating its appearance, the right details matter. Our crystal Bobeches add brilliance, sophistication, and timeless charm to any chandelier. Imagine your lighting catching the light exactly the way it was meant to. It's a simple upgrade that can make a surprisingly dramatic difference. Homeowners, designers, and restoration enthusiasts trust ABC Crystal for quality crystal components. Why replace the entire chandelier when you can restore its beauty for less? Visit abcrystal.com today and find the perfect Bobeches chandelier parts for your project.